Alright, quick video regarding my bass pedal board here. So this is what I use for the bands. I have a tuner. We have an Ibanez Tube Screamer noise suppressor pedal. And we have the Sonic Master, okay, by Sonic Cake. But one of the things that happened the last time I was at rehearsal that I noticed is that the power connection that is sunk in to this pedal. So when I plug it in to the wall, there's this goes to the wall, then we plug it in through here. So now we get power, and then we're getting power that goes from tuner to pedal to this pedal to this pedal and so forth. But see, notice when you put it in, I noticed that that wasn't no longer connected to power. Now I put a battery in there because it does take a battery, so with the battery in it still works. But I wanna take it apart. It does have screws on the back. I want to take it apart and I want to see if I can fix that issue right there. So let's jump into it, see if I can take care of it. Otherwise, I'm probably just stuck using the 9-volt battery. Let's unscrew it and see if we can fix it. And this, we got 4 screws to take out here. So let's find the right bit here. Alright, so let's take a look at the problem. Okay, so it looks like the circuit board broke. Look at that. Yep, circuit board is broken on the top, and that's making it not make the connection, because otherwise it will be right there. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. Maybe glue it shut. I'm not sure if that's the proper thing to do, to glue it, but yeah, that's the problem right there. Okay, so after removing the broken piece at the very top, right where you see that screw, I took it out. It wasn't connected to any of the wiring or anything like that. It was just a very small piece at the top. So now it's gone. And what I did is I just used the remaining hole where the screw is, pushed up on it, and then just tightened it back up. So let's connect it to the 9-volt DC power. See, I took the battery out. See, you can see that that's already to go. We're going to connect it. Then we're just going to get it all plugged in, and we're gonna test it out and see where we're at. So hopefully everything works properly, and yep, it's got power. So successfully fixed the pedal, and I'm really glad because it's one of my favorite pedals. So hope you enjoyed that.